Today I will be demonstrating how to replace rear hub bearings on a 2015 Nissan Versa SE. We want to start by removing the hubcap by using a flathead screwdriver and just prying it off. Next, we want to take a 21mm socket and remove the 4 lug nuts. Now that we have the lug nuts off, we want to jack it up and place it on the jack stand and remove the tire. First, we want to start by removing the dust cover by taking a screwdriver, tapping behind it and prying it out. We want to remove the hub axle bolts using a 30mm socket. Now that we have the nut off, we want to remove the drum. There we have the drum. So next, we want to take this to the shop and have them to press out this bearing and press in the new bearings. Okay, here we are at Sal's and Sons Auto Service. We brought the drums up here. to have them to press out the old bearings and press in the new ones. So we're gonna have them do that, come back and pick them up, and then finish the job. I'm here now picking up the bearings that's been pressed in. So that's the new one. That's the new one. We got the new hub pressed in, thanks for Sal and Sons Auto Repair. And that's the new bearing in the hub. So now the only thing we have to do is take the drum and place it back on the axle. Line it up on the spindle, press it back in place. Next, we want to put the spindle nut back on and torque it down. Now that we got the nut on and snug, we're going to take our torque wrench and our 30mm socket and torque it down to 180 foot-pounds. Now that we have our spindle nut torqued down, we want to put the tire back on and put the lug nuts on and torque them down to 89 foot-pounds using a torque wrench and a 21mm socket. Now that I have the tire on, I'm gonna put the lug nuts on using a 21mm socket and a torque wrench, and I'm gonna torque them down to 89 foot-pounds. Okay, so now we have the tire back on. We torqued the lug nuts down. Now we're gonna put the dust cover back on and tap it in place. Then we will put on the hubcap, and then this will be done. You take a hammer. Then we'll take the hubcap and take this groove right here and line it up with the valve stem and tap it on with your hand all the way around. Make sure everything's in place, and then you're finished. We'll put it on your new wheel bearings. And if you like the contents in this video, like and subscribe for new videos and push the notification button when new videos come out. And until next time, I'll see you.